Hey guys, welcome to the Tenorshare channel. Today's video will show you how to create a PDF file using Tenorshare PDNob. Once you launch PDNob, you'll see the Create PDF option in the top left corner. From here, you can choose how you'd like to create your PDF depending on your needs. You can either create a PDF from an existing file or start with a blank PDF document. Let's start with creating a PDF from a file. You can choose files in formats like images, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Once you've selected your file, just click Open. PDNob will automatically convert your file into a PDF. After the conversion is complete, if you want to edit the content inside the PDF, you can try using the OCR feature. It scans your document and extracts the text so you can easily make changes. Now, let's take a look at the Create Blank PDF feature. This allows you to start from a blank page. You can then add your own text, stickers, or images using PDNob's editing tools. Use your creativity and design a PDF that's truly yours. And that's how you create a PDF on both Windows and Mac using Tenorshare PDNob. We hope this tool makes your workflow easier. If you're interested, you'll find the download link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.